The P0031 code refers to a problem with the oxygen or O2 sensor heater circuit for bank 1 sensor 1, circuit low. What does this mean? Oxygen sensors need to warm up quickly to function accurately and send correct data to the engine computer. This code indicates that there is too little voltage in the heater circuit for this specific sensor, the one located before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine that includes cylinder 1. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. Generally, there are no other immediately noticeable performance symptoms, but over the long term, you could experience increased fuel consumption and higher emissions, as the computer is not receiving accurate data to optimize the mixture. If the P0031 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty oxygen sensor, specifically the internal heater. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The sensor's wiring is crucial. A broken wire, a short to ground, or a poor connection in the heater circuit could be the culprits. Also check the fuses associated with the oxygen sensors. In many cases, a direct replacement of the bank 1 oxygen sensor, sensor 1, is the most likely solution. Even if the car continues to run, an oxygen sensor that isn't warming up properly can't provide accurate readings. This prevents the computer from optimizing the air-fuel mixture.